Hello. Welcome back to Simple Intelligent Systems, your trusted source for everything digital marketing. Today we're exploring Google Analytics 4, GA4, and discovering how it can be used to enhance your website conversions. I assume you've already set up GA4 and integrated it with your website. If not, I strongly suggest visiting our blog to set up GA4 on your site before proceeding with this video. Let's dive into the world of GA4 and find out how it can help you drive more conversions for your business. Log into your GA4 account and navigate to the Acquisition and Engagement reports. These reports offer insights into how users discover your website, which pages they visit, and their duration on the site. Focus on key metrics such as user engagement, conversion rate, and average session duration. One of GA4's standout features is the ability to create detailed audience segments. This allows you to target specific groups of users based on their behavior, demographics, or interactions with your campaigns. You can use these insights to tailor your messaging and increase the effectiveness of your campaigns. With these valuable insights in hand, it's time to act. Leverage the data from GA4 to A/B test your creatives, fine-tune your targeting, and enhance your messaging. Remember, continuous optimization is crucial for a successful campaign to improve traffic and conversions. That's it. With GA4, you have a powerful tool to enhance your website traffic and rankings at your disposal. For any further questions or assistance with setting up or optimizing your website, feel free to contact us at simpleintelligentsystems.com. If you enjoyed our content, please follow us and share this video.